What do you guys think about the ketogenic diet?
I've always spoken from experience, and I've never done a ketogenic diet before, but I really believe that if you are really obese or you're very highly insulin resistant, meaning that your insulin is always high. So even when you're fasted, you haven't ate anything, when you wake up in the morning, your insulin is still high. I would think a ketogenic diet is a very good thing for you to try. Is it easy? No. Because it's going to be such a shock to your system, because a ketogenic diet is like no sugar at all. That's what it is.
It's really restricted.
It's very restricted, so it's a high fat and higher in protein, because that's where your calories have to come from, because there's no sugar in it.
You gotta eat something.
Give it a try. I don't need to, because I'm not at either of those ends where I'm not like that insulin resistant and I'm not obese. So I can, add in a little bit more carbs there, even though according to many fitness people, I'm still low carb.
How would a person know if they're insulin resistant?
You gotta
this question is gonna come up.
To get the answer, you have to go see your doctor, and they can do,
you can get some blood work.
They can get your blood work done. And honestly, if you've tried everything.
That's
what I'm trying to point.
That's you have to actually do things like to completion. You can't just go on a ketogenic diet for one day and then come to the conclusion that it doesn't work.
Yeah, exactly.
You need to test it a little bit longer on yourself. We usually recommend you guys give yourself at least 2-week period of doing something different with your diet before you conclude if it works or doesn't work. What word comes to mind when I hear ketogenic diet is short term, because I don't see anyone being able to sustain that long term. What are you never gonna have birthday cake again?
No, but see, this is what the problem is. It doesn't mean 100% of the time.
I guess so. We don't follow any diets. We show you guys what we eat and what works for us. We know what works for us and what works for other clients.
We call it the LiveLean diet.
Yeah, but it's not a diet. You can't even call it that, because it doesn't have a box of here's what you do and don't do. No, it's more flexible than that.
If you actually look at the definition of diet, it's a way of eating.
Yeah, I know, right? So but just the way that the word diet has become perceived, I feel it means a box that you stay in,
For a short period of time.
Yeah.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.